Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to identify and calculate the sum of top 5 values from a range of data and a sum of bottom 5 values from a range of data. So here you can see that I have highlighted certain cells in blue colors. These are the top 5 values from this range of data, and this is their sum which is shown here. Same way you can see that I have shown certain other values in brown color, and this is the sum of their total. The brown color values are the values which are coming in the category of bottom 5 values. So let me show you how I have done this. So I have achieved this with the help of conditional formatting. So first I'll remove the conditional formatting rules. So I'll select my data like this. I'll click on the Home tab, and in the Home tab I'll click on conditional formatting, and I will select clear rules, and I will select clear rules from selected cells. Now all the information is cleared, and I'll also erase the formulas which I have given in these two values. So this is some sample data in which you can see the salesman names and their corresponding sales figures in the from the month January to June. So I want the sum of top 5 values and the sum of bottom 5 values. So here's what you will do. First, you will highlight the data. Remember, I have highlighted only the data. I have not highlighted the headers. After that, I'll click on the Home tab, and in the Home tab, I'll select Conditional Formatting, and in Conditional Formatting, I'll select New Rule. In New Rule, I will select Format Only Top or Bottom Ranked Values. Now in this, I will select Top, and in Top, I will select 5. Then it will ask me how you want to format it. So I will select Format, and in Format I will select Field, and in Field I will select this light blue color. So what it will do is it will format the top 5 values in this light blue color. Then I will select OK, and you can see the top 5 values have got formatted in light blue colors. Now, keeping the same data highlighted, once again I'll click on Home. I will select Conditional Formatting. Again I will select New Rule. In New Rule, I'll select Format Only Top or Bottom Ranked Values, and this time instead of top I'll select bottom, and in bottom I'll select 5, and then I'll select Format, and in Format I will select a light brown color, and then I will select OK, and then I will select OK. So now it has formatted the bottom 5 values in the brown color. Now I want to calculate the sum of top 5 values. So Excel provides you a function called as large. So let me first explain you the large function. So I'll type equal to large. I'll give open parenthesis. Then it asks me the array. So this is the array. Then I give a comma, and the second parameter is which value you want. So you want the largest value, the first largest value, the second largest value, third largest value. So suppose I want the first largest value, so I'll type 1. I'll give close parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see the maximum highest number will be shown over here. If I change instead of 1 to 2, then the second highest number would be shown over here. Now what I want to do, I want to use the top 5 numbers and calculate their sum. So let us edit this formula. Over here what we'll do, we will, instead of typing comma, I will use curly brackets, and in curly brackets I will say 1 comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Close the curly bracket, close the parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see the top 5 values have been shown. And now I want the total of them. So if you want the total of them, then go in the beginning of large and type equal to sum, open parenthesis, go at the end, close parenthesis and hit enter, and you'll get the total of the top 5 values. Same way, if I want the bottom 5 values, Excel provides you a function called as small. So I will type small, I'll give open parenthesis, I will highlight the data, and you want the first smallest value or the second smallest value. So I want the first, so I'll type 1 and hit enter. So the smallest value in this range of data would be shown. And similar to our top formula, I can use the curly brackets and I can type over there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, close curly brackets, close parenthesis and hit enter. So the bottom 5 values would be shown over here, and if you want the sum of them, then edit the formula and type equal to sum, open parenthesis, go towards the end, close parenthesis and hit enter. And then you get the bottom 5 values and their total. So friends, in this particular video, we have seen how to first identify the top 5 values and calculate their total using a Excel function called as large. And then we have seen how to calculate the bottom 5 values and their total. For this, we have used a Excel function called as small. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.